There are over 500,000 kilometers of cables and pipelines in Flemish soil for the transportation and distribution of electricity, gas, water, or telecommunication. That's why groundworks, and excavation works in particular, always contain a certain risk. Correct information about the presence of cables and pipes decreases the risk of damage, which can spare us a lot of heartache. In fact, Francis did ask for all location plans. However, the plans of the different companies aren't uniform. They use different colors. They aren't all depicted to the same scale, or are sketched on a different background, which makes it difficult to have a complete and accurate picture of all cables and pipelines in the ground. In order to avoid excavation damages, we needed something new, a system which enables you to ask for plans. A system which makes information about cables and pipelines available in a clear and efficient manner. Making use of it must be made mandatory, and you shouldn't be allowed to start groundworks until you have received all the necessary plans. That's why the FGIA has introduced, in consultation with among others the building and utility sector, Cable and Pipeline Information Portal, abbreviated to KLIP. One request through KLIP suffices to ask for the location plans. The KLIP ensures the request being sent to all cable and pipeline managers concerned. Then the cable and pipeline managers send their plans to the requester. In the second stage, starting on the 1st of January 2016, the consultation of plans will also become more user-friendly. For every plan request, cable and pipeline managers provide the KLIP with the required information. This is a digital and uniform process. The KLIP passes on the plan request to the cable and pipeline managers involved. Then the cable and pipeline manager passes the requested information on to whoever requested the plans using the KLIP. The system is very accessible. All cable and pipeline managers who are active in Flanders must indicate the zone in which they manage the cable and pipelines on a map. This zone is saved in the KLIP. Anyone scheduling groundworks can now indicate in the KLIP the zone in which he shall carry out the works and submit a plan request. The KLIP compares the zone in which works will be carried out with the areas in which the cable and pipeline managers are active. If the work zone falls entirely or partly in an area managed by the cable and pipeline manager, then said manager will be informed by the KLIP. In that way, cable and pipeline managers know that they will need to make localization information about their cables and pipelines available for a specific area. The cable and pipeline managers make an extract of their cables and pipelines information and hand it all over to the KLIP in the agreed upon format. The KLIP then gathers all information and lets the plan requester know that his plan packet is ready. For his work zone, the plan requester can consult all information concerning the nature and the location of the cables and pipelines in the ground. The information is presented with a uniform key on the large-scale reference file, abbreviated to the GRB. This is an accurate and digital map of Flanders. The data about the cables and the pipelines can be consulted online as well as offline. You can also check the data by a mobile appliance. With one click of the mouse, you can easily ask for detailed information about a cable or pipeline, for instance about the depth or a height profile. You can also turn on and off layers. In that way, you can look at the map by theme, manager, or specific information. The KLIP enables managers to treat plan requests very efficiently and makes it a lot easier for plan requesters to obtain the correct information. All correct information on one map is easy and clear. This way, someone who wants to carry out groundworks is able to concentrate fully on his job. The purpose of KLIP is to avoid damage resulting from groundworks. Therefore, the KLIP simplifies the manner in which requests are exchanged and cable and pipeline information is consulted. The KLIP is an initiative of the Flemish government in cooperation with, among others, the building and engineering sector, the utility sector, the local and federal authorities. The KLIP provides for a better information flow between the parties involved in the groundworks and wants to help prevail digging damage to cables and pipelines and all the risks that come along with it. The KLIP is an FGIA project. You can go to the KLIP portal by visiting this site, www.klip.be.